Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to my media channel, and before we go any further, I want to apologize for the potential poor audio quality on this video. I do not have my microphone at the moment. Long story behind that, but we're going to be doing this unboxing thing without the microphone. I don't know, maybe we'll see. If it's not that good, I'm sorry, but you know, we're just going to have to deal with it. So anyway, we're going to be unboxing Dawson's Creek, the complete series on Blu-ray from Mill Creek Entertainment. Now, Dawson's Creek was one of the shows that launched the now defunct WB channel, along with shows like Seventh Heaven and Buffy the Vampire Slayer, is what put the WB on the map. And the funny thing about Dawson's Creek is, like, you really wouldn't think that it would have the staying power that it does, but we are 25 years since the show aired, and boy, does that make me feel old. And people are still watching it, people are still enjoying it, and we finally have a Blu-ray release. Now, here's the thing. Unlike most unboxings that we do, this one is going to have a video review a couple days later because we obviously need to talk about the release, what's on it, and everything like that. But this is not that video. We are just going to be unboxing and seeing what it looks like we normally do here. But keep an eye out for a day or two later. I will be doing a full review of this set once I actually watch it. So, first of all, we'll kind of look at this right here. I love the shot of all four of the kids, even though they were all adults at the time. There's Dawson in the boat in the creek, even though you almost never saw him. See it on the side. I mean, this is actually one of the nicest packaging from Mill Creek Entertainment. They usually don't do great packaging because they're kind of like bargain releases, but this one's pretty nice. So here you have Dawson and Joey and Pacey and Jen, and there's 20 discs in this set, so that's pretty nice. We have the back, and I kind of like how they have the first main cast up here, and then like later major cast members here. Special features include like a 20th anniversary reunion, which that was about 5 years ago. Audio commentaries, select episodes. So pretty much looks like most of the DVD stuff is being ported over, but let's see what the package itself on the inside looks like, the discs and everything like that. I don't know if it's just the collector in me, but I kind of almost hate unboxing things. I like to keep things sealed and mint, but I also know that's like an OCD thing and it doesn't mean anything. So this is more what I was expecting from Mills Creek. I do like the pictures, but as you can see, they're kind of bland. They have 3 seasons on each one because there were 6 seasons on the show. On the back, you have basic pictures and everything from the shows and everything like that. You know, let's see, is that yeah, this is 4 through 6. So interesting how like they kind of make it look like Jack and Audrey are part of the show from the beginning. It's not. One thing I do like, I love that they have the crying Dawson picture. That's kind of become a meme. Here's a picture from the soundtrack, I remember. So, but that's awesome that they put that on there. Like, yeah, they're kind of acknowledging that meme, and it's just like, yeah. So let's look at the discs. So, well, it's sturdy. So I guess the discs aren't much to write home about. They're color-coded for the seasons, which is nice. But they all have the same picture, the 4 casts. This one actually gets up to part of season 4. So probably don't have anything. No, they're all the same thing. So that's you know, I mean, you know, a little bit more thought was put into, like, you know, the different colored labels and everything, but yeah, it's nothing too special. But of course, looks aren't everything. Overall, because of this cover, this is a much nicer Mill Creek release than I've seen in the past. But what about the actual content? Well, that we will be reviewing in a later video this week. In the meantime, have you bought this? What do you think of this packaging? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.